Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add text to your TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to the left sidebar and click on this T right here. Okay, so click on it. Then you can choose the place where you want to add your text. So let's say, for example, I want to add it, let's say here. Now you can type anything you want. For example, previous high. Just for example, previous high. Okay, you can type anything you want and you can change its place. Just click on it one time, then drag it. Okay, you can place it wherever you want. You can also change the color. For example, let's choose this color. As you can see, you can change the size of it. For example, like this. You can click on setting. You can make it bold, you can make it italic. I think that you get the idea. After you finish, just click on OK. If you want to remove it, just click on it one time and click on the trash icon. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.